Slavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. From the outset, allow me to pay my respect to the traditional owners of the land on which we gathered today. Naturanga, Natuina Savusavu, we pay our respect to your elders, past, present, and future. It is a great honor to stand before you on these occasions as we celebrate the significance of the coconut, our tree of life. Today's theme, coconut, nurturing communities, growing futures, one seed at a time, encapsulate the vital role this remarkable tree plays in our lives and our national future. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move further into our celebrations of the coconut, I would like to take the moment to congratulate our Fiji national rugby team on their remarkable achievement in winning the Singapore Sevens. Their victory not only brings pride to our nations, it also reminds us of the strength and resilience symbolized by the coconut tree, which, as you may know, is proudly displayed on their jersey. This emblem on their uniform is a statement to how deeply the coconut is enrooted in our national identity, representing us on the world stage just as it sustains us here at home. For generations, the coconut tree has been Fiji's lifeblood. It is more than a crop. It is a living testament to our resilient creativity and potentials. Like our people, it stands versatile and strong, offering sustenance, shelters, and opportunity from root to crown. Our history with the coconut is one of a challenge and comfort. Since the 1990s, we have faced declining production, aging palms, and fierce competitions. Yet, like the coconut tree, we have stood firm. Our government strategy has breathed new life into the industry, from replanting program to climate-resilient farming practices. We are not just growing coconuts, we are cultivating opportunities. Through value-adding products and ecotourism, we are preserving our heritage while forging new economic paths. Our women especially are leading this effort, championing the entrepreneurial spirit that defines Fiji. This journey mirrors our theme. Each coconut planted, each product created, each traditional preserve is a seed of hope for our future. Together, we are ensuring the coconut remains our tree of life for generations to come. In our villages, the coconut tree stands as a silent guardian, providing food, shelters, and materials. It is cornerstone of our food security and our vital economic resources. From farmers, from local vendors to exporters, the coconut industry touches countless lives, opening doors to international markets and showcasing Fiji's commitment to quality and sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, in looking ahead, The coconut will play a crucial role in innovation and technological advancement. These advancements are not just about economic growth. They are about creating opportunities for our youth and future generations. The coconut also teaches us about resilience and adaptation. As we face climate change, we are adopting smarter, more sustainable practices, safeguarding not just our trees, but our future and environment. Our theme, one seed at a time, remind us that great change often starts small. Every coconut planted, every product developed, every skill learned contributes to our national growth. It is a testament to the power of collective effort. Our ministries and institutions are working hand in hand to support this vision. From crop production to human capacity development, from food security initiatives to infrastructure improvement, these collaborative efforts are aimed at nurturing our community and growing our future through agriculture with the coconut at its heart. As we celebrate, let's carry forward the spirit of coconut tree. From a humble seed, this mighty tree embodies who we are as Fijians, resilient, resourceful, and deeply connected to our land and seas. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to challenge each of you today. What seed will you plant today? Will you contribute to nurturing our communities and growing our future? Let the coconut guide and inspire us. May its resilience remind us of our collective strength. Its diversity sparks our innovations, and its nurturing nature guides our care for one another and our islands. Today, if we stand united in purpose and actions, we will assure Fiji that the coconut continues to flourish. As we nurture the coconut, we nurture the very heart of Fiji. In conclusion, I want to express my grateful gratitude to everyone who has contributed to the success and growth of our coconut industry this far. To our hardworking farmers, innovative entrepreneurs, and dedicated community leaders, your tireless efforts are the backbones of this industry. I extend my thanks to the Ministry of Agriculture and the line ministries for their unwavering support and strategic guidance to this cause. To our research institutions and NGOs partners, your expertise has been invaluable, and I'm particularly grateful to the Vanua, whose deep connection to the land and traditional knowledge continues to shape and strengthen our approach to coconut cultivation. To all stakeholders present here today, your commitment to this industry is truly commendable. Each of you plays a crucial role in nurturing our communities and growing our future through the coconut industry. Your collective effort will ensure that the coconut remains not just a crop, but a vital part of our national identity and a major contribution to our economic prosperity. Thank you so much for your dedication and for being here today to celebrate our beloved Tree of Life. Vinaka Sakawalevu, and a happy National Coconut Day to you all.